Hello everybody, today I'm just gonna buy a tagbot, which is a skin in Subway Surfers. Yeah, here he is. He's 12k coins, and I've got 12k, so I basically lose all my money. But anyway, we're gonna unlock him. I just spent 2,000 coins. So yeah, and we're just gonna be testing him out. And got an award, so we can go and check that out. So the more the merrier. Everybody loves a big party. Own 2 characters and I get 3 keys with it. Bronze award. And please comment down below if you can hear me okay in this. I hate these adverts. Yeah, please comment down below if you can hear me okay in this. So yeah, we're just gonna be testing them out. And since my last video on Subway Surfers, I have improved my high score, because that was the worst score I've ever had in my entire time. I've been playing this game for about 3 years now or something, because I've had it on my Kindle, and yeah, it was just really bad. I've got over 7,000 coins once in a game in Subway Surfers, so obviously I'm capable of doing it in the phone. But my highest one in this just now is 1,000 coins or something. But as you can see, I'm already at 90 here, so it's pretty good. And yeah, I personally think I pretty have good moves on this game. I love it when you just really. We're gonna save myself. Sorry about that. That was just my mum there. And yeah, I think I have quite cool moves. 6. I'm sorry, right there, that's just my mum again. And yeah, I think I have quite good moves, and I like it when he does backflips. Somehow, when I screen record this, it's really glitchy. I don't know why. And I might do some videos on Geometry Dash as well. Maybe like to do some of them. Hopefully it works on my phone, because it didn't work on my tablet, because it lagged my game. Yeah, so hopefully I can stay for a bit longer. I've already got 300 coins, so that's quite good. Yeah, this is my top tip, just moving and out in these stages. And also there's coins in between the areas. Oh, I've got 400 coins there. I got times 5 mission set. If you don't know what a mission set is, it means if you complete 3 missions, you get an award, and it's basically you getting faster in the game. So you're probably more likely to get a high score in the game. But my score right now is 18,000. That's really bad. Really annoying. Basically, I don't want to jump. But if you don't want to jump, when you already jump, it's just roll. Right, so we're gonna stop right here. And here we go. Again. Okay. So I've got 676 coins, and my score was 29,122. So that was quite good. So thanks for watching.